in Maths Chapter 2 Polynomials. Today we will study the factors of polynomial using factor theorem. So here factors of polynomial using factor theorem we want to find out. So here we are given y square minus 5y plus 6. One polynomial is given. Now these polynomials factor we can find out by the splitting method. But here we want to use the factor theorem. So the last digit C is the 6. 6 possible factors are 1 6 are 2 3 are, and so plus or minus 1, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. Out of these these values, any values can be give the remainder 0, and so remainder 0, then that numbers will be factors of this polynomial. So if by trial and error we check all p1 and 1 square minus, before that here you will see that minus and plus are given, means here both the factors will be negative, and negative, so x minus a, x minus b will be there, so it will be pa and pb, means the positive values only will give the 0, negative value will not give the 0, and so we will check it. P1 equals to 1 square 5 into 1 plus 6, so 1 minus 5 plus 6, which is 6 plus 1 7 minus 5, so not equals to 0, so x minus 1 is not a factor. Now P2 we check, then here 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6, so 4 minus 10 plus 6, again 10 minus 10, 0. Now P3 we check, then here 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6, so 9 minus 15 plus 6, again it is 0. And P4, so P6 we check, and 6 square minus 5 into 6 plus 6, so it will be 36 minus 30 plus 6, so it is 42 minus 30, 12. So here we can see that P2 and P3 gives the 0, and so x minus 2, x plus x minus 3 is the factors of y square minus 5y plus 6 equals to 0. Let's see take one more example, x square minus x minus 12. So 12 factors are 12 ones are 2 6 are 3 4s are. Now here minus you want, and so minus 12 you want, so one factor will be plus and one factor will be minus. So for factors formula will be x plus a, x minus a. So one factor one will be positive value and one will be negative value. So here first for the positive value we check P1 equals to, we take 1 square minus 1 minus 12. So 1 minus 1 minus 12. Then it will be 1 minus 1 0 minus 12 not equals to 0 to P1. 1 is not a factor of this polynomial. Now P2 we check. Then it will be 2 square minus 2 minus 12. So here 2 square is 4 minus 2 minus 12. So 4 minus 2, 2 minus 12 minus 10, and P3 we check. Then here 3 square minus 3 minus 12. 9 minus 3 minus 12. So again it is minus 15 and 9, so minus 6, it is not 0. So now P4 we check. So 4 square minus 4 minus 12. So 16 minus 4 minus 12. So it gives a 0. That is means x minus 4 is one factor. Now x minus 4. So x minus 4 we got. So with the 4 multiplied number is the 3. And so with the plus format we want. So p minus 3 we check. Then 3 square minus 3 minus 12. Sorry, minus 3 square minus 3 minus 12. So minus 3 square 9 minus minus plus 3 minus 12. So 12 minus 12 equals to 0. And so another factor is x plus 3 is factor. And so we can write x square minus x minus 12 equals to x minus 4 x plus 3. We have one more example, x square minus 9x plus 20. So 20's factors are 21s are 10 2s are 5 4s are. Now here 20 is in positive form, and here middle term is minus. So both of the two factors are there. That factors will be x minus a, x minus b. So x minus a remainder will be pa and x minus b remainder will be pb. So x minus a, so a greater than 0 and b greater than 0 means a and b both we have to take the positive value. Now a and b we want to take positive value. Then p1 we check. Then 1 square minus 9 plus into 1 plus 20. So 1 minus 9 plus 20. So 21 minus 9, 12, that is not equals to 0. So x minus 1 is not a factor. P2 we take. Then 2 square minus 9 into 2 plus 20. So 4 minus 18 plus 20. So 24 minus 18, that is 6, which is not equals to 0. And so we can say that x minus 2 is not a factor. Now P4 we take. Then 4 square minus 9 into 4 plus 20. So it is 16 minus 36 plus 20. So 20 plus 16, 36 minus 36 equals to 0. And so we can say that x minus 4 is the factor. Now x minus 4 we got the factor. So another factor with the 4 multiplied is the 5. So P5 we will check. Then 5 square minus 9 into 5 plus 20. So you can see that 20 minus 45 plus 20, that is 45 minus 45 0. So x minus 5 is factor. And so we can write that x square minus 9x plus 20 has two factors, x minus 4, x minus 5. Let's see one more example, x square plus 4x minus 21. So here 21, its factors are 21 ones are 3 7s are. Now here two factors are there, x minus a, x minus b. Now here minus 21 is equal, so 1 will be plus factor and 1 will be minus. So x plus a and x minus b. Now x plus a, so a will be negative and b will be positive. So a value for negative and b value positive. So first we check with the smaller value. So p1 we check. Then 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 21, that is 1 plus 4 minus 21, 5 minus 21 minus 16, which is not equals to 0. Now P3 we check. Then here 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 21. So 9 minus plus 12 minus 21. So 9 plus 12, 21 minus 21, 0. So 21 minus 21, 0 means x minus 3 is a factor. Now plus 3 we have taken, so minus 3. Now x minus 3, so one factor we got, so another factor will be plus a. So 3 we have taken positive, then 7 we have to take negative, because here plus and minus we want, so one number plus 3 into minus 7 will give us minus 21. So p minus 7 we take, and we can see that 7 square plus 4 into 7 minus 21, sorry minus 7. Minus 7 square plus 4 into minus 7 minus 21. So 49 minus 28 minus 21 minus 49 minus 49 is equals to 0. And so we can say that second factor is x plus 7, and so is a factor. And so x square plus 4x minus 21 equals to, we can write x minus 3 x plus 7. Now let's see the cubic polynomial. So last term is the 120. So 120's possible factors are 121's are 62's are 34's are 43's are, then 26's are, 24 5's are, then 15 8's are, and 12 10's are. These are the factors of 120. So from this, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 7, 8, plus or minus 10, plus or minus 12, plus or minus 15, plus or minus 24, plus or minus 20, plus or minus 40, plus or minus 30, plus or minus 60, plus or minus 120. Out of these values, any three values will give the remainder 0, and any three values gives the remainder 0, then it gives the factor. But in your study, mostly the factors will be which gives either x plus 1 factor or x minus 1 factor will be there. Such a cubic polynomial will be given. And so first we will check for plus 1 and minus 1. So here plus 1 p1 we check, and it will be 1 cube minus 23 into 1 square plus 142 into 1 minus 120. So 1 minus 23 plus 142 minus 120. So 143 minus 143 equals to 0. Now p1 becomes the 0. That is means x minus 1 is a factor of px. Now one factor we got, then one more type of division I will teach you all. Here x minus 1 factor, then write all for the another factor, write all the coefficients. So x cube coefficient 1, x square coefficient minus 23, x coefficient plus 142, and constant term minus 20. So here x minus 1 factor, so here we will take plus 1. Now 1 add with the 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 1 is 1, minus 23 plus 1, minus 22. So minus 2 1s are minus 22, 1s are minus 22. So plus 142 minus 22, that will be plus 120. 120 1s are 120, and so 0 remainder. So we have the one factor already. We can write x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120 equals to, we can write x minus 1. Already we got the first factor, and the second factor. Now question start with the cube. So here x square, x and constant term, so it will be x square minus 22x plus 120. Now these we got the quadratic polynomial. So by splitting method we can factorize. So 120 is factor, which gives us the addition 22. So here we can see that 12 into 10, 12 into 10 plus minus 12 and minus 10 will give us 22. And so x x minus 1, here we can write x square minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. So x minus 1, x common x minus 12 minus 10 common x minus 12. And so three factors are x minus 1, x minus 12, x minus 10. Now one more quadratic polynomial we see x cube minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. So 6 factors are 1 6 are 2 3 are. So possible values which give the remainder zeros are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6. From this value, any 3 value will be zeros of this polynomial. So we can take in a plus or minus 1 first, as in our syllabus we say x plus 1, x minus 1 is a factor. So P1 we check 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 1 minus 6. So 1 minus 4 plus 1 minus 6. So 2 minus 10 minus 8 not equals to 0. P minus 1 we take and minus 1 cube minus 4 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 6. Also it will be minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 plus 6. So here we can see that minus 6 plus 6 will give 0. And so p minus 1 0. So x plus 1 is a factor of px. So to find out the other factors, we will divide given polynomial of x with the x plus 1. So here to divide the polynomial, first we will write coefficients x cube coefficient 1, x square coefficient minus 4, x coefficient plus 1 and plus 6, and here plus 1, so here we will take minus 1. Now 1 added with the 0, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 4 and minus 1 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5. So plus 6 here and 6 into minus 1 minus 6 is 0. And so we get the polynomials factors here x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 as the two factors. One is the x plus 1. Now here polynomial in the cubic form, so you will start with the here x square and x. So our second factor will be x square minus 5x plus 6. Now x square minus 5x plus 6 is the quadratic polynomial, so we splitting method we apply. Then plus 6 and minus 5, so two factors 2 and 3. We take minus 2 and minus 3, then it becomes minus 5 and then multiply it will be 6. So x plus 1, x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. So x plus 1, x common x minus 2 minus 3 common x minus 2, and so it will be x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 are the factors of given polynomial. Now we have the plus 12, so 12 factors are 12 ones are 2 6 are and 3 4s are. So possible value which gives the remainder 0 is plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6 and plus or minus 12. Out of these values, any 3 values are there which will give remainder for polynomial 0. And so here first we check P1. Then 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 12. So 1 minus 6 plus 5 plus 12. So 17, 1, 18 minus 6, 12. And so not equals to 0. Now we check P minus 1. And minus 1 cube minus 6 into minus 1 square plus 5 into minus 1 plus 12. And so it is minus 1, minus 6, minus 5 plus 12. So minus 12 plus 12 which gives 0. And so x minus 1. So here x plus 1 is a factor of px. Now to get the other 0, divided by x plus 1. So to divide, write the coefficient. So plus 1 minus 6 plus 5 plus 12. Here 0 and plus 1. So here we will write minus 1, and if here minus 1, then we will write plus 1. So 1 plus 0 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 7 minus 7 into minus 1 plus 7 12 into minus 1 minus 12 0. So the factors we have, one factor already we have x plus 1, and the other factor x square minus x. So here x square minus 1x plus 12. So again we apply the splitting method. Then 12 factors 3 4 and minus 3 minus 4. So x plus 1 x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12, and so x plus 1 x minus common and x minus 3 minus 4 common x minus 3. So x plus 1 x minus 3 x minus 4.